Okay, here we go with part 2 of pH help. So question number 4 on this unit 3 section 4 homework asks, express the concentrations in question 2 as pH. So question 2, I was converting from hydrogen ion concentration to hydroxide ion concentration. But if I've been given the hydrogen ion concentration, finding the pH is a piece of cake. And the formula is simply pH is equal to the negative log of my hydrogen ion concentration. So I was asked to find pH, negative log, what I have here is 1.9 times 10 to the negative 6. I need to get, sorry for this problem, all I gotta do is punch that into my calculator. So for me, on this calculator I do negative log, and again I like to keep everything in parentheses so that you're not messing things up. So negative log of 1.9 times 10 to the negative 6. I hit enter and I get 5.721. Nice thing about pH problems is you know they're always going to be somewhere between 0 and 14. So if you ended up with some number like 80 or 57 or who knows what outside of that range, you know that you've committed an error. Okay, number 5, same idea, but this time it's talking about the problems or the questions in number 3 above. And so the first step was to go from hydroxide ion to hydrogen ion concentration, but once we get to that point, the rest is pretty easy. So again, pH is equal to the negative log of my molar hydrogen ion concentration. So if we're looking at number 3, question A, I found the hydrogen ion concentration to be 9.9 times 10 to the negative 8. And so again, all I gotta do is punch that into my calculator. And I do negative log of 9.9 times 10 to the, times 10 to the negative 8th. And I get an answer of 7.00. And if you'll remember, we went back to that problem. The hydrogen ion concentration was the hydroxide was 1.01 times 10 to the negative 7. That's like 1 times 10 to the negative 7th is basically evenly split. So hydroxide ions, 1 times 10 to the negative 7th. OH, or hydrogen ions, 1 times 10 to the negative 7th. So that's why we're getting a pH of almost a perfect 7. So anyway, that's the answer.